Hey guys, welcome to my channel Soumya's Book Station. I'm Soumya. If you like my videos, please like and share them and subscribe to my channel. So guys, today's video is going to be about the types of readers that are there in the reading community, because come on, we need to talk about ourselves a bit, right? So let's get started. Well, fiction lover, as the name suggests, is the reader who likes to read only fiction. It can be any genre, it can be romance, sci-fi, fantasy, thriller, but it should be fiction. The fiction lovers love to travel to different places just by reading. These people love to go to Hogwarts, these people love to visit the world of Narnia or Westeros, whichever, you name it, and they love this world. So fiction lovers are the one who have a very romanticized notion of reading, that reading is more like a leisure and an entertainment activity, something that takes their stress away. Non-fiction lovers are those people who see reading as an activity to gain knowledge and gather information. Non-fiction is obviously not fiction. So these people, they believe that it is better to remain closer to reality. These are the people who often read biographies or autobiographies or maybe any such book that might give them motivations, any self-help books. These are the people who believe that books should be used to enhance their personality, because that is the main purpose behind their reading activities. Book juggler is a person who reads more than one book at a time, and they don't feel like they're cheating on any of the books. It's like they have separate relationships going on with both the books that they're reading, or if they're reading more than two books, then all the books they're reading, they have a separate equation. So no book shall feel cheated. We don't cheat on any book. We just love reading as many books as we can, and we do it. Sometimes we succeed, sometimes we fail, but overall it's a very, very fun experience. Well, I am an author loyalist myself, like sort of, because I don't do this with every author. There's just one author whose all books I want to read, and that author is Agatha Christie, and you must know that if you follow my channel. And these are the people who really have some favorite authors, and they stick to the books by these authors for the most part. And even if any book by their favorite author does not turn out to be as good as it was supposed to be, they still stand by this author and they'll support their favorite authors no matter what. They'll fight for their favorite authors, and they'll tell you that you are being totally unreasonable, because no matter what, a person can write one bad book, it's allowed, or two bad books. It depends on the level of how favorite the authors are for them. So these are the people who just stick to the authors that they like to read, and they stay loyal to them. Well, book snobs are those people who feel that not every book is worthy of getting a place on their coveted bookshelf, because these people feel that some genres like trashy romantic novels or maybe YA novels, they are not something that one should read. They are juvenile. That is what these people feel, and they are the ones who like to read only award-winning books or classics or the thickest books that you can find. So these are the people who tell you that they read a classy kind of a literature, and you need to make your taste better. That is what you will hear from them. Even if they don't say it on your face, they'll imply it. Trust me, when you meet a book snob, you will know it. Now, readers who do not finish the books that they pick up try to read as many books as they can, but for some reason, I don't know, they lose patience, or they don't have time, or they are not able to make time, but they're never able to finish the books that they pick up. It's like they always leave it half through. They tend to. It's not like that they do it on purpose, but that they can't help it. But that doesn't stop them from picking up every new book now and then. And a book has to be really, really up to their interest for them to get to the end of it. These are the people who like the feel of a paperback or a hardback, and they do not really prefer reading from a Kindle. Like, the idea of Kindle being better than book is literally something that is scandalizing for such people, and they feel that how can somebody even suggest such a thing. But it is like that. These are the people who can read from a Kindle, but those will be the situations when they are not able to get any physical book at all, whichever they want to read. So that is the situation when they'll pick up a Kindle, and they will not be happy about it. Well, confused readers are those people who want to read books, but they are not able to figure out which book they should pick up, because they have this mindset, and I agree with it, that there are so many books that are there. There are so many books that people talk good things about. So which book should we go for? And it takes some struggle for these people. These are the people who are always asking book lovers that which book should I read? Recommend me this, recommend me that. And they have so many recommendations that it is a real struggle for them. But I think they do come to that conclusion. Guys, please let me know which category of reader do you fall under amongst the one that I talked about, and also please let me know any category category that I haven't talked about, just let me know in the comment section. Let's have some fun here. So that was it for my today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want to connect with me on my social media, then the links are in the description box. I'll be back with my next video super soon. Bye.